Ma. We are back at it. We are recording. Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to have the best reputation on and off the web? Wondering how to turn your presence into who are you? Into thank you for being here. Personal branding is your answer and key to success. So if you want to know more about it, stick around and we'll get right to it. Whoop. You guys are probably wondering why personal branding is so important. I was literally sitting here in my room thinking about this video all day about how important personal branding is and why it makes people successful. You are literally starting a business. Your personal brand is what someone says when they walk into a room and someone asks about you. So write down what you would want someone to think about you when they walk in the room. What is the answer that they will give when someone is talking about you? You are literally building this business by starting your channel. You are having to come up with crazy ideas and ways to edit your video. All I have to say is quality over quantity, baby. When you're making videos, make sure they are of quality and something that you would watch. When you go back and you start editing it and you're watching these clips editing, if you are editing them, literally watch it and look at it and be like, I think I'm going to watch that. I'll watch that. All right, no, I'm not going to watch that. Let's redo it. Let's figure out how to make it better. Learn from your mistakes. It is okay to have multiple attempts at something. It didn't take me one time to shoot this video, I'll tell you that. This has been taking so long, and none of this is even scripted. This is literally stuff that I'm thinking off the dome to help you guys out for free. For free. Because I enjoy helping people and literally helping people succeed and watching them succeed in what they do. This is literally the best thing in my life, and I just get so much personal joy out of it. Is helping people do something in life that they think they can't do because you can do it. That is something we'll talk about later. But literally, when you make a YouTube video, literally, what do you think the most important thing is about that video? Yeah, the first 10 seconds of the video. I watch so many of these videos about people are like, how to do this, how to do that, how to do this. No one ever tells you that the first 10 seconds of your video is important. The most important thing. That is how you catch someone's attention. It is almost like an audition. You are literally going into an audition. The casting director is like, hey, you got 10 seconds. Tell me why I'm going to choose you. Boom, you better tell them. You better tell them. You better show them why you are the most worthy person to watch that video. There is literally a couple ways that you can live your life. Regret doing something that you never tried. Or you can be grateful you tried to live your dream and do something that you actually enjoy. And not be on your deathbed going, I wish that I would have tried this. You do not want to go to your deathbed and go, dang, I wish I would have done this. Dang, I wish I would have done that. You want to go there and be like, yeah, I lived a freaking fantastic life. I think like my favorite quote is from Steve Harvey. In order to succeed in life, you have to jump. Jump. Jump off the cliff. It's going to be scary, but you have to jump and you have to get those scrapes and bruises or you're going to have to keep wondering why your parachute won't open. You're literally jumping. That's what you're doing in life. You're taking risks. It's going to be scary. It's going to be nerve-wracking. But in order to succeed, you have to jump. You're gonna fail. Learn from it. Learn what you could do better. Learn what you can do from it. Once you learn, eventually that parachute will open and you're gonna be so happy that you made it back to the top of that mountain, you jumped and your parachute opened. I literally live by that quote every day. It is one of my favorite quotes. I even listen to it every day. I have it favorited on YouTube to go listen to Steve Harvey. I'll put the link down in the description below if you want to listen to it, but it is literally the best quote that I've ever heard. That is just the point I'm trying to get across. So let's get back to talking about personal branding. Personal branding is literally going to be a full-time job. Sit down with a notepad, pen, pencil, color pencil, marker, whatever you want, and start writing down ideas of what you want your channel to be, or what your niche or niche, however you want to say it. Everybody says it differently. But what it's going to be and what you're going to do on your channel. People are starting their businesses, their channels, every day. There is a new person starting every day trying to brand themselves and figure out where they're going to fit into next. You're never going to know until you try, and do not give up. It's going to be hard. These people did not start yesterday. I mean, of course, some people did. Some people got really lucky. Let's be honest. But anyways, most people literally started from nothing and have been doing YouTube for years before they even made their first million. Either they haven't figured out the algorithm, they haven't been trying hard enough, or maybe they have been trying their hardest out, but you know they have made it on YouTube. Go and watch your favorite YouTuber. Watch their videos. Find out what is so unique about their video that keeps you there. Now, if you can't do it, no big deal. We're not trying to go over there and copy. We're just trying to get ideas. Do not copy someone's video. Do not make your video the same as their video, because it is not going to work out. You know, you're trying to brand yourself is what I've been saying the whole time. But literally, the hardest thing I think is going to be for you is saying no. After you've written those things down, it is literally, it's going to sound easy, but it's not. But you're going to have to learn discipline. Saying no to the things that you wrote down and having to start from scratch is going to be the hardest thing after you've been doing it for a hot minute. You're going to think that you're not going to be able to make it. You're just going to probably give up, or you're just going to keep running with it and hoping that the first thing actually works, when in reality, most of the time it doesn't. So learn discipline. It sounds easy. You're going to be like, oh, I can say no to that. But when you write down your goals and achievements and you start making videos and you've been doing it for a minute, and you go back and you're like, no, that's not it, is going to be the hardest thing. Going through and erasing all of your stuff and starting from scratch. That is going to be the hardest thing for you to do. Find your niche. Find something you're passionate about and run with it. If you are not passionate about something, I promise you there's something you're passionate about. Literally go do something on your list. I know you have a list. Go play guitar. Go do this. Go play piano. Go play violin. Go play golf. Go play tennis. Do whatever you do and be passionate about it. Find something you're passionate about, and then if you find it, write it down. Write it down and go with it. That is all I'm trying to say when it comes to that. Because everyone is passionate about something. It's a matter of if you want to run with it or not. Like, I really enjoy helping people. I really do. I genuinely do. I literally love helping people get to somewhere they thought they would never be. That is why I'm making these videos. I also do gaming, but I'm kind of trying to double brand. Try something new on this channel. I'm trying to double brand it. I'm trying to have a serious side and then an entertainment / gaming side. Somewhere where people can go if they really enjoy my videos and go relax, you know, instead of thinking about things. You know, take one for the team. But literally just do what you can do. I know I've said it before, but consistency is the key. If you can only make one video a week and you have quality, then that's perfect. But once you find that passion, literally celebrate. Once you get there, celebrate. If you've made a goal and an achievement and you get there, celebrate. You want to enjoy your time in your business and your brand. Who cares what other people think, or if they think it is stupid? Because most of the time they're just jealous because they couldn't do it themselves. When you become successful, we'll see who gets the last laugh. You walk up and you are the better person. Do not let them get to your head. Celebrate whatever you wrote down, whether it's 100 subs, or get 10,000 subs, or 10 likes on a video, which, I mean, if I can get 10 likes on this video, that's a pretty good goal for me. I'll celebrate by drinking some water. But anyways, literally celebrate. Get excited for what you're passionate about and do it. This is your business. This is your baby. You're growing it from the bottom and trying to make it into something big, something extraordinary, and something unique. Don't let social media get in the way of you. Social media literally puts things in your head that are not true. I'm not saying all of it's fake, but a majority of it is fake. Social media is the new normal. People are so used to looking at social media and agreeing with everything that someone says on social media. Well, Facebook said this. Oh, well, the news said this. Well, the news has said this. Yeah, most of the time it's probably not true. It's literally to get views. Literally views. That's how they make their money. But do not let it get to your head. Do not let trolls, do not let people get to you. Only keep the positive ones in your life, because that is how you will succeed. And that is one of the main reasons why I'm here. I want to be one of the people that help you succeed. Your individuality is the best thing we have, but finding it is no feint of heart. It is going to be a challenge, but if you're up for the challenge, you've accepted the challenge, then you're already a step ahead of other people who are trying to copy someone who is already successful on YouTube. You are not going to get anywhere copying someone on YouTube. So if you've already accepted the challenge, let's get started. Let's do it. Let me help you. Let me help you get in the right direction. Follow these tips. Let's start off with branding. Let's do it one day at a time because it doesn't happen overnight. Let's talk about branding. Join the Discord that I have in the description below of the community that I'm trying to build with nothing but helpful people. I want a community that people come into and they are like, these people are so nice, they're so helpful, they're helping me, they're positive. We are there to help. And it is all for free. I'm telling you, free. I'm not those people that are like, it's free, but when you get there, it's $9.99. No, this is literally free. I'm literally willing to do it because I want to see you succeed. So if you accepted the challenge, you're already a step ahead of the game. So let's do it. But let's go ahead and jump into the next thing. So this is the last thing we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about titles and thumbnails. Titles and thumbnails are going to catch someone's attention. That starts with the 10-second rule. Literally, once someone clicks on that thumbnail because you caught their attention, because your thumbnail is the best thumbnail in the world. Your title is like so enticing that someone's like, I can't help but click on it. They join your channel. This is where it comes back to that 10-second rule that I was telling you about. You better catch their attention because their retention is so little. They're either going to stay or they're not. Your audition has started. So when you make a thumbnail, make sure that it is catchy. Make sure it's something flashy. Put your face on it. As crazy as it sounds, having your face in a thumbnail actually catches people's attention because when they see it, they're like, oh my, what a face, you know? And they're like, either that's funny, blah, 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 whatever they think when they think about it. And then they'll click on your video. And like I said, 10 seconds, boom, audition. There you go. Let's start with those things first. Let's start with branding. Let's figure out your brand. We're starting your business. Next, we'll learn how to make thumbnails and create catchy titles. Another thing that helps, I'm not going to lie, is TubeBuddy has helped me tremendously and given me ideas and stuff that I never would have thought of. It helps with tags, which we'll talk about in another video because I'm going to do a special TubeBuddy sponsored video to let you guys know what they offer and how great their incentive is, and nobody really takes advantage of it. But literally, that is all I have to say today. Just make sure your titles and thumbnails are good. Make sure your brand is there. Make sure you're passionate. Keep positive people in your life, but I'm here to help, and that is what I want to do. If you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I really do. I genuinely appreciate it. That is amazing. But if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part is or if I've taught you anything We're not going to be that channel where you go to this person's channel and they're doing exactly what I'm doing, and you go to their comment section and literally it is like for sub, like for comment, like for that. We're not going to have that. I will literally go in and delete those comments. I want genuine comments. I don't want those fake comments. Yes, we're here to help each other grow. We're here to network, but that is not how you're going to succeed. We'll go over that in the next video. But for now, I'll see you on the next one. I appreciate y'all. Peace out. If y'all liked that video, make sure to maybe watch this video. Or maybe this video. Or you know what? Maybe you can watch both videos. That'd be freaking sweet, wouldn't it? So hopefully I'll see y'all in the next one. If not, it's been a pleasure. And I thank every one of you for being here. Have a good one. Appreciate it.